What if everything we've ever believed about black holes is incomplete? For decades, scientists thought that anything crossing a black hole's event horizon was doomed forever, crushed into an infinitely tiny point called a singularity. But now, a growing number of physicists believe something far stranger may be happening inside. Some theories suggest black holes could contain gateways to other universes. Others propose they may actually preserve information instead of destroying it. And one revolutionary idea claims our entire universe could have been born inside a black hole. These aren't science fiction stories. They're serious scientific ideas being explored by some of the world's leading physicists. Today, we're diving into the greatest mystery in the universe. What really lies inside a black hole? Black holes begin with death. When massive stars run out of fuel, gravity wins. The star collapses under its own weight until almost all its mass is squeezed into an incredibly tiny region. Gravity becomes so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape. This creates what scientists call the event horizon. Think of it as the universe's point of no return. Cross it, and every possible path leads deeper inside. From the outside, a black hole appears almost simple. It has mass, it spins, some carry electric charge, but beyond that invisible boundary, our understanding of physics begins to fail. According to Einstein's general relativity, everything falling into a black hole eventually reaches the singularity, a place where density becomes infinite. Space and time completely break down. But here's the problem. Physicists don't actually believe infinities exist in nature. Whenever mathematics predicts infinity, it's usually a sign the theory itself is incomplete. It's like dividing by zero. The equations stop making physical sense. That means the singularity may not be real. Instead, it could simply represent the point where Einstein's theory reaches its limit. To truly understand what's inside, scientists need something they've chased for nearly a century, a theory that combines gravity with quantum mechanics. Then came one of the greatest scientific puzzles ever discovered. Stephen Hawking showed that black holes slowly evaporate through something now called Hawking radiation. Over unimaginable periods of time, they eventually disappear. But here's the paradox. Quantum physics says information can never truly be destroyed. If black holes evaporate completely, where does everything they swallowed go? The stars, the planets, the atoms, even the information describing every particle. If it's lost forever, then one of the foundations of quantum mechanics is wrong. This problem became known as the black hole information paradox, and solving it has become one of modern physics' greatest challenges. To solve this mystery, physicists have proposed astonishing possibilities.
One is called the holographic principle. It suggests everything falling into a black hole isn't destroyed. Instead, its information is somehow encoded on the two-dimensional surface of the event horizon. Imagine an entire three-dimensional universe stored like a hologram.
Another theory predicts black holes could contain wormholes, shortcuts through space and time. Although no evidence confirms traversable wormholes exist, Einstein's equations allow for intriguing possibilities under extreme conditions. Some researchers even suggest black holes could eventually become white holes, objects that expel matter instead of swallowing it. Others believe quantum gravity prevents the formation of singularities entirely. Instead of infinite collapse, space itself could rebound. Perhaps the center of a black hole isn't an ending at all, but the beginning of something entirely new. Now comes perhaps the most mind-bending theory of all. Some cosmologists propose that every black hole may create a brand new universe. Our own Big Bang, instead of being the absolute beginning, could have been the birth of a universe emerging from a black hole inside another older cosmos. If true, every black hole scattered across the universe could be creating entirely new universes, each with different physical laws, different stars, different galaxies, possibly different forms of life. It's a breathtaking idea, one that transforms black holes from cosmic destroyers into cosmic creators. The truth is, no human has ever seen inside a black hole.
and perhaps no one ever will. But with every new observation, from gravitational waves to images captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, scientists are getting closer to understanding these mysterious objects.
Will black holes reveal hidden dimensions, protect information forever, or give birth to entirely new universes? We don't know, yet. But one thing is certain, the greatest discoveries about black holes may still lie ahead. If you enjoyed exploring one of the universe's biggest mysteries, subscribe to Infinite Science for more incredible journeys into space, physics, and the unknown. Because the universe is stranger than we ever imagined, and we're only just beginning to understand it.